Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name's Chris. I really just kind of wanted to hop in here and give you guys kind of like a 6 month update. It's a crazy day today. We're currently like hurricamping, tropical storm camping. Tropical storm Ophelia made landfall, pretty early this morning, and it's just been dumping the rain on us. I'd say we're supposed to get somewhere over 3 inches. I'd say we easily probably already got an inch, if not more. It's just been a really steady soaking rain pretty much all day. The winds pick up every once in a while, and that's pretty fun. We almost had a pretty good sized tree limb fall down on Maury's vehicle, but anyway, I wanted to update you guys here and really just kind of thank you. We have a lot of awesome stuff that's coming up on this channel. And when I started this channel, I had no clue that I was going to have half as much fun as what I'm having. It's so cool to be able to do this and make this content and bring it out to you guys. It's even more awesome to me that you guys watch this. I think that's so cool to me. I'm currently as I'm recording this, one of my most previous uploads, which was the largest RV show in the United States at Hershey. That video is about ready to hit 200 views within the first 48 hours. And that's awesome. That's 200 of you that are watching this. And I don't know, it's really cool. I guess it's a very humbling thing to me. So to be able to pick up, as many of you viewers as I have in this short time, and to be able to pick up our first partnership has absolutely, it's blown my mind. Really cool story here. Joy Tutus, which is the company who makes the truck tent that you see in our videos. We got to talking, and our conversation had led to what I hope to be a pretty fruitful partnership. I understand that there's levels of partnerships, and we're just getting started into this, and even the fact that this has come to fruition this early on is really cool. So a little bit more about that partnership is they're going to be giving me some items from time to time to be able to review, and then our hopes is that we are going to take those items and then be able to offer them to giveaways for you guys going forward, which is a pretty nice step up from being able to win something off of my merch shop, and it's pretty cool to be able to do this just kind of as a token of appreciation for you guys following along on this channel and just coming along on this adventure that we call life. Because we're certainly trying to have a lot of fun with this life that we live. So I was really cool to be able to bring that announcement to you guys, and we're getting this partnership fired up. Our first couple ones that we're doing here, the first couple items we're doing, like I said, they're going to start out kind of small, but we're already in talks of trying to fit some more things that kind of line up with our content a little bit better. And not that the giveaways when they start out aren't going to line out with our content. You always need supplies and such to be able to go on adventures, and that's what we'll be looking at. So outside of that, I'm also excited to tell you guys we're headed back to Puerto Rico. That's pretty cool. We started this channel in Puerto Rico, so obviously when I started this, it was bumpy. It's still bumpy. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that in 6 months I am uber comfortable and ready to just take this YouTube world by the horn. But I'm starting to kind of find my groove a little bit and get a little more comfortable. And that's pretty cool. So this time when we go back to Puerto Rico, I want to be able to get some pretty sweet adventures while we're over there and bring some pretty sick content to you guys. Puerto Rico is just such a beautiful place that I hold very near and dear to my heart. My wife and boys are from Puerto Rico. My in-laws live in Puerto Rico, and it is just such a beautiful island. One day we hope to call home. So, I'm super excited to be able to go back there and do some adventures. We have some things that are up our sleeve. I don't want to give too much out. But I'm really looking forward to that. So, yeah, that's pretty much this 6 month update. Super appreciative of you guys. I can't say it enough. I'm super appreciative of you guys. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to get entered into our giveaway. That's going to be wrapping up here at the end of September. Where we're going to pick one of you lucky viewers, just as, again, a token of appreciation for following along. So, all you have to do to get entered in the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. The keyword for this video is going to be thank you. So make sure you comment thank you down below, because that's just me thanking you. You know what? There's not even a keyword. Just drop a comment down below. Anything you want to say. Any type of content you'd like us to do, or different types of things you'd like to see. Comment anything down below. It's whatever you want. You leave a comment down below, that'll get you entered into our giveaway here, and probably by the time this drops, you only have another week left, which may be one more video that's going to drop. Yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, thank you, be safe, and we'll see you on our next adventure.